Show me the goods. It is time for another hotel check-in. Today we're going to be checking in at the Circus Circus Manor building, and this is adjacent to the big towers. So they have a bunch of these adjacent hotel rooms. So this is the entrance of this manor. There's 3 floors. Okay. This building just feels a little older. Smells a little older. And the decor is very old. Even the elevators feel very old. You can tell from the lights, the buttons, the wood paneling. But it's an affordable hotel. Okay, this is the hallway of the rooms. There's a certain smell to this place. So let's go on and check it out. I'm gonna tap in. Ow, static. Okay, what? Okay, so let's go check out the room. The light's already on. It's very dark in here. So let's go on and open the lights first. Okay, here's the bathroom. Place seems very dated. But it works. There's a tub there. The tub looks like it needs some cleaning. Still bubbles there. There's soap right there. Basic. Look at the old vent system here. Here's a hallway. It looks like a makeshift closet. This connects to the other room. Okay, how do I turn on the light in this place? Is this it? No, that's the hallway light. I'm trying to open the light in here. Oh, static everywhere. The carpet gives me a lot of static. Okay, turning on the light here. Ugh, I'm worried about the static. Okay, so here are the rooms. Very dark. It's like dark wood. You got a nice desk there. So I will put my work stuff here. I don't want to leave stuff on the carpet. Air conditioning. This is the view of the parking lot. At least we get a view of Circus Circus. I'm just gonna close that. There's not much to see there. It's spacious. How's the bed? Oh, it's soft. Kind of sink in a little bit. Okay. These are the drawers. That one doesn't open. There's power outlet there, USB. Okay. The closet. Oh, there's a light there. Good. So we're gonna be here for 4 days, so we can start putting stuff in. And let's see how clean it is. Oh, can't turn on the light with the phone. We're checking in around 9 o'clock, so it's pretty dark outside, and the room's very dark. All right, that's a quick walkthrough at this place, Circus Circus at the Manor buildings. And for the price, you can't beat this. This is a pretty decent room for the price. So, you know, it is what it is, you know, pretty good. As long as you got a place to sleep. So before we lie down, we're going to check the beds for any kind of bed bugs. But, you know, always good protocol what we do when we do hotel check-ins. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.